Hi everyone, this is a video just to show how you can create groups on Canvas, because for the snapshot presentation we have to make it into group discussion. So the way to go about it is go to your course page, go to people, and then first you have to create the group set. So you can give it a name called snapshot presentation. And then you are going to split students into whatever number, like 36 students. So I would do 9 groups of 4, and then you just save, and then it'll randomly assign students into groups. So you don't even have to create the groups, because as you can see, there are no students in this course. That's why you don't see it. But otherwise, it would have automatically put 4 students in each group. That's it, as simple as all that. And then whenever students are ready to post their video, they just go to, it'll let them go to only their group. So they will just automatically post into their group, and then the rest of the group members can view their video. So hopefully this system will work. So let's try and see what happens.